Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Alright, so I want to show you how easy it is to create a commission generating website using other people's videos while letting AI do absolutely everything for you. So with my AffiliTube AI software, I'm going to show you how I'm going to build a complete site in just a matter of minutes. So I went and set up a demo site here. And you can see I want to create a site about office desk reviews. So instead of having to go out and create all this content, maybe create videos, put affiliate products on the site, I'm going to let the AffiliTube AI software do absolutely everything. So I have the software installed here, so you can kind of see the main dashboard. So all we need to do to get started is search and import videos. So for me, I'm doing office desks. So I'm just going to search for standing office desk, hit search. And what it's going to do is go out and search YouTube for videos related to that. So it's going to bring back all the videos. And to use one of them, all I need to do is go ahead and click import this video. So when I do that, what's going to happen is the software is going to go out. It's going to take that video. It's going to import it into your site. Then it's going to use AI to write a full article related to that video as well. And then it's also going to go ahead and put related affiliate products on that post. So you can see that one's already done. I can go ahead and I can add some more. And at any point, I can also come back and change the search term. So looking at these, maybe I want to do standing office desk reviews to get more review type articles. So I just go ahead and do a new search. It'll bring back a whole bunch more. So here's one where they tested 7. Let's import that. And then I'm going to go ahead and import this one. And let's do this one and this one. So I'm going to go ahead and let those import, let the software write that content, let the software add affiliate products on it, and then I'll show you what it's created. All right, so as we can see, all of those have been imported. So let's go over to our site, and I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the site. So it's gone ahead. It's brought all of those onto our site. You can see it created the featured image for us, put the title in here. Now, if I click on one of these, you'll see what the software all does. So again, brought in the title. It brought in the video right here, so users can watch the video. And then what it did, it went ahead and imported related Amazon products. So in the back end of the software, all you need to do is put in your Amazon affiliate tracking ID. And we actually have a built-in Amazon API. So you just put in your tracking ID and the software will take care of the rest. So each of these will be embedded with my affiliate link and those go in there automatically. So the site is already set up to start making me some commissions. So then the software went ahead and wrote that article based on this video. And we can look at all of these as well. So you can see it's going to bring in the video, bring in related products, write the article, and we're done. So just like that, in a matter of minutes, I have a complete site ready to go, monetized, and ready to start earning me commissions. Now, in the back end of the software, we have a lot of other features as well. So we have custom ad slots. So if there's specific products you want to promote, you can use any of these ad slots to put in your own ad, promote anything you want. You just click it to have it show, and then it's going to basically tell you where you want that to show. For the Amazon products, we can specify how many products we want per post. So I just had it at 3. We can display those under the video or at the end of the post. And we can also show the price if we want. I don't recommend that. And then we have a spot if you want to put in your affiliate disclosure. So just like that, my site is ready to go. And of course, at any time, I can come back here, do another search, add more products, and continue to build out my site. So again, in just a matter of minutes, you have a complete video review site ready to go and ready to start earning you affiliate commissions using the AffiliTube AI software.